DeLonghi Magnifica Evo next review. Is this the best super automatic espresso machine? Intro. Looking for a premium super automatic espresso machine that delivers cafe-quality coffee at home? Today we're reviewing the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo next to see if it lives up to the hype. If you're interested in checking the latest price or available deals, be sure to click the product link in the description and the pinned comment below. Overview. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next is one of the top-selling super automatic espresso machines in the US, designed to make your morning coffee effortless. With a powerful 1,250-watt system, a 60-ounce water tank, and a built-in conical burr grinder, it handles everything from grinding fresh beans to brewing rich espresso with a single touch. Key features. One of its biggest highlights is the 13 one-touch drink recipes. Whether you prefer espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, americano, coffee, long coffee, or espresso macchiato, every drink is just one button away. The built-in conical burr grinder offers 13 grind settings, allowing you to fine-tune extraction for different coffee beans and roast levels. Another standout feature is DeLonghi's Latte Crema hot system, which automatically creates rich, silky milk foam for dairy milk and many plant-based alternatives. The machine also includes a bright 2.4-inch TFT color display with soft touch controls, making navigation simple and intuitive. Customization. Coffee lovers will appreciate the level of personalization. You can save drinks for up to 3 different user profiles, choose from 4 cup sizes, and adjust 5 coffee strength levels to create your perfect cup every time. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning is refreshingly easy. The removable brewing components and milk system are dishwasher safe, while the automatic cleaning function helps reduce maintenance, letting you spend more time enjoying your coffee. Pros and cons. The biggest advantages are its one-touch convenience, excellent milk frothing system, customizable drink options, consistent grinding performance, and user-friendly interface. The only downside is that it's a premium machine, so the price may be higher than basic espresso makers. However, for frequent coffee drinkers, the convenience and quality can make it a worthwhile investment. Final verdict. Overall, the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo Next is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants cafe-style coffee without the learning curve of a manual espresso machine. It combines convenience, customization, and consistently delicious results in one sleek package. If you'd like to check today's price, customer reviews, or current discounts, click the product link in the description and the pinned comment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.